Welcome everybody to my Bachelor Final Project presentation. My name is Borja Morcillo. Engineering is not art. I find that quite frustrating, but there is one kind of art that involves a lot of mathematics, a lot of physics, because it's made of waves, and computers are often used to process it in real time. Of course, that's music. However, human imperfections and emotions do not blend with machines' precision and lack of feelings. So, why not try to mix analogical beauty with digital techniques? This is why I decided to set an objective: create the LoopMAN. LoopMAN is a multi-track looper aimed for live music performances. It has multiple high-fidelity audio inputs and outputs. It also features a multi-effects processor. On the inside, we get a purely hardware design implemented on an FPGA. LoopMAN's architecture is highly parallel, focused on scalability and performance. Designing a hardware system might be harder and more complex than the software ones, but hardware implementations are absolutely feasible today. Moreover, FPGA technology offers flexibility, which makes it future-proof. Now, let's see what can the LoopMAN do. First of all, let's turn on the LoopMAN. It has 4 audio inputs, so I'm plugging in an electric guitar, a 4-string electric bass, a drum machine, and a keyboard. I'm also connecting to audio outputs and an USB keyboard, and of course a VGA monitor to control it. You can use simultaneously the LoopMAN remote app to control it. Now this is how it works. And here it is. See how we can use both keyboard and app to control the tracks, the effects, and everything else in the system. They are synchronized. First, I'm gonna record some kick drum. You can set the tempo using the tap tempo button on the keyboard like this, or use the slider on the remote app. I'm using 150 BPMs. Now the drum machine is connected to input 3, so I have just enabled it for track 1, and I want this track to sound through output 1. Quite simple. I'm increasing master output level right now. The purple slider next to it allows you to set master's compression. I want 8 bits. OK. And hit the auto record button. As soon as I start playing, the LoopMAN will start recording. Alright, LoopMAN's tracks have unlimited overdub, so you can record over and over as many times as you want. This slider lets you adjust overdub decay. Let's add an snare. Alright. And why not some cymbals in another track? So let's turn off the other input, turn on new input for track 2 and enable the output. Alright. Okay. Now, both tracks are synchronized, so it doesn't matter if you don't press the play or record button in time, LoopMAN will adjust it for you. To disable synchronization, press this button. can mute tracks with the mute button, like this. You can also solo a track with the solo button. Easy. And last but not least, to clear recorded audio from a track, just press the clear button. Next, let's grab the electric bass to test some effects. LoopMAN lets you adjust in which order you want the effects, like a real pedal board. For that, just select in order the effects, like this. All of them are adjustable in real time. This is overdrive. To remove the noise that the overdrive causes, we can use the high cut. Alright, filters can also be used as an artistic effect. Here the low cut. It removes lower frequencies. Good. In both filters, you can adjust cut frequency. Right now, I am enabling another effect. Jamón ibérico. This effect is pretty cool. Oh, LoopMAN. Now delay. I'm adjusting delay time right now. Let's set it to the max. Okay. Let's move on to the guitar. You can also create delays by using tracks and overdub like this. Alright. Alright. To test the compressor, I'm gonna select the other output and increase the volume of the track and add it. This is how it sounds without compression. And now compressed. It works. Fuzz is extremely powerful. On oscillating effects, you can set the oscillation period like in jamón, tremolo, or flanger. Tremolo alters volume. And flanger got to admit, I'm proud of the LoopMAN. 1 minute left for a brief demo, so I've recorded some loops, volume, length, effects for each track I enable, everything is set, so let's go for it.